Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Panasonic AC model supports Wi-Fi and installing the official app on your phone. Once done, make sure your router SSID and password are at hand. The app will ask for them. Put the phone close to the indoor unit, within 2-3 meters, to ensure a strong signal during pairing. Also, temporarily disable VPN or strict firewall on the phone because those can block discovery. This speeds pairing and avoids intermittent failures, while the AC registers with your network. You open the Panasonic app and go to Settings, then Wi-Fi Setup. The interface walks you through putting the AC into pairing mode. When the unit's indicator blinks, follow the LED prompts and choose your router, prefer 4 GHz because many AC modules don't support 5 GHz. Next, enter the SSID password carefully. The app sends credentials to the AC, and the unit attempts to join the network. If the app shows progress but no success, retry once more and confirm the router allows new device connection. Once the app reports the AC as online, name the device and enable cloud or remote access so you can schedule and use voice assistants. Make sure firmware prompts are completed. Updates can fix connectivity bugs. If the connection never completes, power cycle both the router and the AC indoor unit, then try the pairing flow again. This clears temporary network conflicts. Finally, check router settings for MAC filtering or captive portals. Disable those or add the AC MAC address because they commonly block initial registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.